Yo!
Oh, no, I can't.
What's going on, YouTube? Mike here again. I got the crew here.
We're back.
We are back, and we have the resurrection of the Pink Widow over here. Pink Widow has been out and about for over a year.
Yeah.
Fun story, it doesn't start. Okay.
That's a fun story, fun fact.
Fun fact, it does
Fun
not
fact.
start. It's been sitting for 1 year.
We don't know what's wrong with it.
The gas has been in it for 1 year. It cranks over. It sounds healthy. The compression sounds fantastic.
From a no start.
From a no start, because you can hear it. You know how it's like, it sounds really healthy, like the compression's really good. So we have to,
Check the gas.
I don't know, make it start,
Pumps
make
up,
it
yeah.
works.
Check the distributor.
Upgrades,
She probably just
9-second upgrades.
She probably just wants us all together to start.
I think she
I bet
does.
you she'll start with us.
So yeah, we're
We
about
need a
to
9-second prep.
Yeah,
9-second prep, is that what this is?
Well, yeah, because we have to hit it.
Okay.
We have to go to the next level. We're 10.3 at 140 mile an hour.
Yep.
We got the slip. There's a slip. Where's the slip? The side of the toolbox. Was that the one you let off?
We're pretty close. Not at 140, it doesn't look like that. Oh yeah, I did let off, huh? 10-3, yeah, probably.
You did it 10-3, letting off a 4. I let Chris go run through her. It sounds terrible. That sounds so terrible.
That's Pink Widow.
It's Pink Widow. We're talking about a car, okay? And we call our car a female name.
So pretty much you gotta prep this thing. You gotta do a couple of things. You gotta put an actual catch can on it because the other catch can was getting full. We gotta do a bond. Well, he already welded the bonds on the. Well, we're gonna show you. We're gonna show you what we're
Man,
gonna.
we gotta
Catch
do a
can.
bunch of
Yeah.
Spark plugs, oils, we'll show it.
Alright.
And then Carlos got some kind of concoction he's making to
Oh,
fit a
he's gonna
battery.
blame me. Show them the battery box you made. You want to blame me? Concoction.
What are you talking about?
Well, don't say concoction when I didn't do it.
What are you talking about?
Your concoction.
You were trying. At least I made a box. You would have fucking battery strap on this.
zip tied it? He would have zip tied
You would have zip tied the battery to the damn chassis.
Okay.
Don't be hating. I just modified this to work with a battery.
We're
And
gonna make it work.
I had to cut. Dude, this thing fit a huge ass battery.
By trying to fix it.
See, I had a extendo. I had to extend it and then.
That shit crazy though.
But whatever. That's going in there. I should have bought a. See, I had a
Sick ass spaces.
Dang. No, yeah, he's doing
Get
big.
your
No,
ass.
that's tight.
You know what I'm saying?
These are
Freaking.
gussets and shit. All right, listen, we're gonna 9-second prep. We got some battery box we gotta put in. Chris gonna go through it.
Let drain the fuel.
Try to start her up. He's gonna check the fuel pump, things like that. Make sure that we're good. Other than that, I think that's it for right now.
Let's go.
I'm gonna put this valve cover that's already been fitted
look
with
at
some
that.
bones.
Shout out. We had to get those made. Baffled?
It's clean.
Nope.
We might need to put like a little baffle here at one point.
So we were using this.
Oh yeah. We gotta show you our catch can. This is our nifty catch can.
This was our trash can. And
Our trash can. This was our
all it
trash
did
can.
was fill up. It didn't even vent out. I don't think.
Yeah.
You gotta, you're gonna have to come around this side or spin this and pull from that side out because that gap's gonna. That sounded fucking terrific. And it's penetrated, that's for sure.
Yeah.
There you go, Billy! Shit.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Molten River and shit.
Good shit. I don't want to take the gasket off of
You don't
the
want to take
motor.
the gasket off? It's a nice
So
seal.
I'm gonna try to like finagle it back in because it stayed. Like, look.
Oh no, it's.
You
You kind of should.
Kind of should.
Why? It's,
I don't know. Cause I don't want to risk ripping the gasket. That's the problem.
fucking poke it off.
I am. Dude, we built this motor together. Remember? Show was like 2 years ago.
Fucking office. eBay catch can. Very nice. Very nice. That thing's gonna go right there. Connect there. Who put that shit in there? Oh, you like that?
Yeah, it punched me in the chest.
It looks fucking beautiful. Look at that thing.
I don't know. It
Looks like it's clean.
Still looks good. Keep it as extras. Put them in the box and keep it as spares for the truck.
That's why I hired him. That's why I hired him.
You don't use these to really gap like a race car spark
But we
plug.
have used them, okay?
Yeah, we
I think
have.
you did use them, no?
Yes. Yeah, we have. But
Chris
you
did use those.
I
Stop
don't use
freaking
this on
lying
my
like
car. I
that.
use
You
that. on my
don't? You
car.
use that?
Yeah.
Bet.
I have a
You gotta
set.
use
I have a set in my car.
No one, we would never, none of y'all would do this in your own car.
I already did.
I've done it.
You
I cut
done?
my BMW all apart.
Oh,
What do you
yeah, you
mean?
did.
car it is. It's a Honda, baby.
You want a little hand.
Maybe Carlos would do that. Carlos would do that shit.
Hell yeah.
He'd be like, bam, 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 bam. We're trying to race here.
Them 60 foot up.
Put the old plugs in the boxes. You can save them.
Oh, you want to get on this lip right here?
Well,
Yeah, we're trying to just see what we can do.
Will that be good? Here, let me hold it.
Gas in it. Would you ever put gas in it?
Low E. Maybe that's why I didn't start, Dennis. Why'd you tell me?
Oh, you're gonna blame Dennis.
No, he was starting it. He was in there. Dennis was in there and he was trying to start it. He's
See how
like,
he likes to point? Here, turn around while you point fingers. At least give him the respect.
I gotta.
Gauge. Does a fuel gauge work in there?
This should. Did the fuel gauge work? No, the fuel gauge works, right?
Probably. I don't
It works, bro. Obviously.
to the tank, so yeah, it should work.
How was brake look?
The brakes. So we are having an issue with the brakes.
They look pretty old.
It's these though. You got new ones, new cylinders, or just pads?
I just got pads. I don't know. You guys told me pads. I don't know. Y'all's dying. Look at that. Dude, there's a hurricane outside by now, but the oil looks fantastic.
It looks amazing, and it smells like C85.
Smells like C85?
Yeah.
Magic.
That magic,
That's good.
that magic fuel.
Do you see anything else like leak-wise? I saw like a leak down here, like towards the side. What do you think it is?
I don't know. I'm gonna check it.
Maybe it was because of the, remember when Carlos blew a coupler and it sprayed all the oil on the hood or the windshield?
Could have.
Maybe that's what it was.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Because the catch can's on this side.
Yeah.
But other than that, everything else looks pretty legit.
The front's solid.
Yeah. Back's solid too.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the true testing right now because I'm gonna pull this drain plug and it's magnetic. So it's been running all the oil that's been in the motor. And the car's been sitting too for over a year, and we did turn it over, but it, like for the most part, everything's settled to the bottom of the pan. So right now we're gonna see what this drain plug looks like. And this drain plug has 0 metal shavings on it. And that means this motor's pretty healthy. Oh my!
Look at this
Look at
thing.
this thing, dude.
Look at this, squeaky clean. Hold on, right there. Cause we built this.
This is the
Yeah,
first,
y'all want some engines built? Let us know.
first oil
Shit.
change on this bad boy, and there's not a single.
After tens.
Yeah, there's nothing on there, dude. It's super clean.
Squeaky clean.
And the oil looks squeaky clean, so we're gonna put some fresh oil in it, put a bigger catch can on it, and
Stir.
turn it up a little bit. Oh, we're gonna put some injectors in it now. Finally.
Yeah. Let's start on these and then I gotta tune for that.
Woo! I'm excited.
At least we're not gonna run like 100% duty cycle on.
Yeah, that's the biggest deal right now. We're maxing out the injectors, so.
yeah.
Hold on. Oh, come on. Come on. Wow! Like she never left, bro. Wow! Alright. Can't show your face yet. Is that turbo fluid? I got turbo fluid. How's the fuel pressure? What the Widow does. It just works. So we got up and running. Spark plug gap, we're good. We're gonna die in here, bro. You want this fucking thing to idle 5 minutes? Chris was like, yo, can you just let it warm up in here while we die of freaking carbon monoxide? All right. What's going on, guys?
What up?
We did it. We started it.
She started. Works.
We're missing parts.
She just needed us around.
Or some gas in the tank.
Or some fuel.
This was gas in the tank.
Or some fuel.
Some fuel in the tank. So it didn't run because it was out of gas, but we have gas now. It's crazy, it's windy, we're lacking parts, so we're gonna need round 2.
We're being attacked.
Then we need to do a little quick street retune. And then we got IFO bound
Yeah, buddy.
with
Nice.
hopefully hitting 10s on Jenny
Yeah.
and 9s in the Pink Widow. So we got the 2 drivers behind me. We got Chris and Carlos.
I'll be driving
Hopefully.
the Pink Widow and Carl's be driving off.
Yo, who do you think is more likely to hit their time?
Both.
Yo, PZ, who's more likely? Who's more likely to hit? Is Carlos gonna hit a 10 in the all motor? Chris hit a 9 in the Pink Widow. Hey, comment down below. Who do you think? That's awesome. Yeah, you should.
Oh shit.
Ooh, he got 20 on Carlos.
From the innocent bystander.
I'll do 20 on Chris.
Voice coming in from side Jen.
Hey, comment down below. Who do you think's gonna hit their time? Carlos hit a 10-second on Jenny. Chris hit a 9-second on the
They
Pink
should
Widow.
both do it. So comment. See what you
That's
guys
it.
think.
We're both doing it.
Until next video, guys.
Look at that little guy.
Yo, Carlos.
What's up, dude?
Yo.
When did you show up?
right now.
That's you right there. It's okay. She's supposed to clean her.
Are we supposed to like do something or
Yeah,
what?
she's supposed to let her clean her. We're watching this shit on YouTube right now.
Swear.
Swear, bro.
What do you think? We're professionals? Who does this shit?
Yo. Oh my God, is that a umbilical cord?
Yeah, I had to pull it out, dude.
She's supposed to clean her. She's cleaning her. We're doing a good job. Dude. That's how we know. That's how we know.
Hey, this is my goat.
Hell yeah, you gave birth to him.
Swear.
Pulled her out.
I swear to God.
It was stuck.
And
Neck,
she was
neck
running
tight.
around, dude, with the goat, like head first. I didn't want her to choke. We chased her down.
Oh man. Yo, man, you mess with Mother Nature. Now we're gonna have a goat overpopulation.